Hey, nice.
G'day, how you going, mate?
Good man, good. Now, a charity build. I'm in, but what's the details?
Basically, I've got this pink coloured wood, which I'll share to a bunch of Aussie makers. We'll all go make a couple of hand tools from it, then we'll raffle it off. Plus, we want to auction some really high quality products from a heap of other Aussie makers, and all the coins going to charity.
I can get behind that. Who's the money going to go towards?
It's the SuperTee project.
Ah, the guys who make superhero themed clothes for the really sick children in hospital?
That's the one, mate.
Definitely can't say no to that. I'm in, send me some pink wood.
Already have, matey. Should be getting dropped off right about now.
Bugger me, you work fast.
You'll need to work faster, so get onto it. I'll add you to the group chat, but just start building.
Okay, I don't have a lot of time here. I've got to get this project made and sent back to Dana as soon as possible. At times like this, you've got to stick with what you know, so I'm going to make a rabbit-in plane out of this chisel. If you go back a few years, there was a really strong community vibe across the American YouTube woodworking scene. It's something I always admired those guys and girls for, so I'm really happy to be taking part in something similar. Now, if you aren't aware, SuperTee are a charity that make medical garments for some of the sickest children in Australia. And the cool thing about this is they're not just hospital gowns, but they're full-on superhero outfits. They're even linked up with Marvel now. That's awesome. So these SuperTee outfits, they're not just normal t-shirts. They've got special openings and inserts and things like that that will help a doctor or a nurse or a parent take care of their child without making things more uncomfortable for them. So this project's nearly over, and I'm rapt about that because these guys just constantly message me. I haven't been able to get anything done. The important thing though, there's raffles, there's auctions, they're all live right now. There's links down below. Go and bid, go raise some money. It's a great charity, get into it. Marky Mark, I'm all done. I've made a rabbiting plane and a ruler gauge for the raffle.
Awesome, can't wait. Send it up and we'll get ready to auction it off.
Already have, matey. It should be getting dropped off right about now.
Bugger me, you work fast.
It's for charity, how could I not?
You ready? You got me running, got me running.